So we have a little bit of a 69 Roadrunner. Someone decided to cut the crossbar out here to get the engine out. It's got us a replacement. It's not exactly right though. We got one hole on here and we got two on here. So we're talking about using the whole piece, but I think we're just going to use the center section. The big deal about this is they have the VIN here. Of course, our new one has a different VIN. It's not the only place they put the VIN on these, but it is one of them. We also have the VIN back here, which would be under the weather strip right here. You probably can't see it. I'm just going to have to take my word for it. So we know what numbers we need, and it's only missing, only one number got cut off, a 9 at the end. And I don't know what we're going to do about that. We're probably going to fix that as well. I think I saw a little bit down here. All we're doing is fixing the metal work, the rust. But my favorite part would be these tires, the monster boots on old rocket racing wheels. And it has this little, look at that guy, little monster with boots. What do they come up with next? But probably my favorite part of the car. Do old Mopars do it for me? Yeah. But usually out of my league as far as purchasing one for myself. We do have the little duster out there, but that doesn't really count when you're talking Roadrunners. It's more of like its little special cousin that nobody really cares for. But this is a heavy hitter car. It's an absolute disaster, I would say. I would say it's not quite going in the right direction that it should be. It needs to be probably some sort of blasting and get all this chaos off of it. Get it back down to original color.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
I don't know all the specs on this car, but it is a manual car, and it has the bench seat. Also has the pop-out windows. I like the pop-out windows. You know, you're saving a lot of weight that way. Has all the provisions to have a window crank in there and all the stuff, but it just doesn't, you know. So it's kind of neat. Drawback would be that you don't have that cool hard top look with all the windows rolled down, but it has to save quite a bit of weight. And I'm a sucker for floor shift and a bench seat, so I think it's cool. There is some Pink Panther pink, but this would be the green. Probably the green actually that was on our 67 Mustang that we had in here. We're just going to do our few little things, and this thing's going to be here and gone. We're not going to show you too much on it because we're not going to do much on it. But I'll show you our few little things that we do, and if there's anything special, I'll show you. But as for right now, I'm going to get this piece cut correctly and put in here, and then we got to figure out what we're going to do with our VIN. I don't know what we're going to do. We'll draw it on there with a crayon. 9. Alright, we got our VIN there, which the original one on this car is a lot harder to see than the other original one, but we need to stop it about there and change that 0 into a 9. There's supposed to be a 2 there. And so I'm going to weld over the numbers that we don't need, and then we'll try to tune up the ones that we got. how you do a circle. Just bolt your piece in. Drill a hole in your deck here.
What? Is he talking to the internet? Yeah.
Got our piece made. Made it a lot bigger than it needs to be. Quite the complex little deal though. What I want to do now is kind of, I'll mark out where this piece can go, and then I'll mark out, or I'll cut out the spot that is bad, and then we'll, you know, cut this piece to fit the hole we cut out. So
Let's go for a motorcycle ride. Whoa, whoa, hop on the back, girl, and everything is legalized. Whoa, whoa, wanna feel the wind blow through your hair. Whoa, whoa, don't care where we go, let's get out of here. Whoa, whoa, let's go. Aren't you sick of all the bullshit that's pouring down like rain? So let's get our asses out of here before we go insane. Oh yeah. So come with me. All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.